Tara, samahan niyo akong akyatin ang 6th highest mountain in the Philippines and 2nd in Luzon, ang Mount Tabayok. We're also exploring its 4 beautiful lakes, ang Lake Tabeo, Lake Ambulalakaw, Lake Latep Ngapo, at Lake Incolos. 1 mountain and 4 lakes, all in a day trip. Tara, samahan niyo akong makilakwatsa. So ayun na nga, since wala pa tayong nakaka-organic encounter, gumala ulit tayo as a joiner for today's trip. Simulan natin ang kwento when we started the hike. At exactly 3 AM, we started the hike going up to Mount Tabayok. And mind you, sobrang lamig dito. Di uubra ang payakap-yakap lang, kaya wag ka na magdala ng jowa. I mean, di uubra ang simpleng jacket lang, so you'd better wear clothes that are good for cold weather. Once you've entered the mossy forest, dito na talaga magsisimula ang challenge. Oo, the hike to the summit is around 2 hours lang, pero the trail, halos buong hike, it's a full-on assault. Hindi lang yon, the trail has monkey trails na kailangan mo talagang gamitin ang mga kamay mo kasi aakyatin mo ang mga malalaking bato at lulusong sa mga kahoy na parang naghimulmol na tali. May mga times pa na nauuntog ako sa mga kahoy kasi madilim at nadudulas dahil sa mga moss at sa mga roots ng kahoy. Surprisingly, the difficulty level of Mount Tabayok is only 3 out of 9. By the way, 7 lang kami na umakyat, so we only had 1 tour guide. Kaya as your bidabidang classmate, nag-volunteer akong maging sweeper. Pero mukhang maling desisyon kasi instead of organic encounter ang mahanap, parang engkanto at multo pa ang magpapakita.
Baka may sumusunod. Chares.
Anyway, ayun na nga, after about 2 hours and 19 minutes na paglalakad, we finally reached the summit.
Time check 5:25. Time is
2 hours and 19 minutes. Luckily, we had a good clearing and we're blessed with a beautiful sunrise. We stayed here for more than 1 hour kasi gusto din namin makita yung view with the sun fully up, and it was definitely a good decision kasi ang ganda ng view. Unlike sa pag-aantay mo sa kanya, pero ang ending sa iba pala napunta. Char! After that, we decided to head back. Kung sa pag-akyat, hihingalin ka, sa pababa naman, patibayan talaga ng tuhod to. The good thing about going down is makikita mo yung ganda ng mossy forest. It was calm and enchanting. Ang daming Instagrammable spots, and one of the highlight is what they call the open window. Dito mo makikita yung view ng jump-off point at ng Lake Tabeo. Fast forward, after 2 hours, nakabalik na kami sa jump-off point, which was sa Lake Tabeo. This was actually the first lake out of the 4 lakes, and dito yung famous camping site. So nagpahinga lang kami dito, had a quick merienda before we explored the other 3 lakes. From Lake Tabeo, it's about 1 hour walk to reach the next lake. Pero since medyo tamad kami, hinatid na lang kami ng van sa jump-off station ng mga lakes. After reaching the jump-off point, mga less than 5 minutes na pakyat lang ay makikita mo na agad yung signage ng second lake, which is Lake Ambulalakaw. This lake is known as one of the lakes with the cleanest water in Cordillera. And galing daw yung pangalan nito from the sightings of Bulalakaw or shooting stars from the lake. After enjoying the view of the lake, we proceeded to our third lake and also the highlight of the 4 lakes. This is Lake Latep Ngapo. It took us about 40 minutes to reach it, and the lake is really the highlight. Napakaganda talaga ng view. The water is clear and surrounded by lush, mossy forest, giving off a serene and mystical vibe. Dito kami medyo nagtagal for picture and video taking. This place was just so beautiful not to be captured, though pictures and videos are nothing compared to seeing it in real life. Lastly, off to the final lake, which is Lake Incolos, just 5 minutes away from Lake Latep Ngapo. This lake is not your typical lake na makikita mo agad yung open water. Mas mukha siyang swamp, like a lake covered with moss and grasses. At nasa ilalim yung tubig, if you know what I mean. Anyway, kaya pag naglalakad ka dito, some parts are actually bouncy. So, for safety purposes, sa gilid-gilid lang kami naglakad kasi delikado daw kung sa gitna kami dumaan. So, that concludes our 4 lakes expedition. But before we headed back, we also visited Junior Pulag, just a 15 minutes walk from the last lake. They call this Junior Pulag kasi it has a similar ambience like Mount Pulag, pero lower in elevation nga lang. Pagdating namin dito, medyo foggy na yung paligid, kaya we only stayed here for a bit. After we rested a bit sa Junior Pulag, bumalik na kami. Mga 20 minutes kami naglakad bago namin na-reach yung exit point, kung saan nag-aantay yung van para sunduin kami pabalik sa Lake Tabeo, and kung saan doon natin kami naligo. Around 1:30 PM, matapos kaming lahat maligo, we decided to head to our side trip, which is sa Baloynan Camora Cafe, a cafe and restaurant located in Ambuclao Dam. And yes, meron pong cafe at restaurant doon, which ngayon ko lang din nalaman. To get there, you'll need to ride a boat, and it takes around 10 minutes to reach the place. The view from the cafe was amazing. You can see the whole dam and the mountains surrounding it. Dito na din kami kumain for our late lunch, and after eating, we decided to head back to Baguio. Share ko lang, we booked our whole trip with Biyaheng Kalikasan. So if you're planning to go here on your next trip, you can check out their page for details. And that's the end of another Lakwatsa with me. Okay, bye!